How to delete WeChat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to delete your WeChat account. Without further ado, let's begin. Open WeChat and sign in. Navigate to Me section at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap Settings and here select Account Security. Afterwards, you need to navigate to WeChat Security Center. Now tap Safety Rules to manage and keep your account secure. Afterwards, select Account Cancellation at bottom of your screen. Now you have to read the important information carefully and then check mark I have read and accept the important notice and tap on Request Cancellations. Now you will have to select the Next button and then agree the terms and confirm the Delete Your Account button. Then your WeChat account will be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.